Hi, everyone. It's a Friday. Celebrate! It's the end of the week and we made it. So let's dive into our two favorite oils and their fun facts. Manuka from New Zealand, all the way from down there, and Douglas fir. So first we're going to talk about Manuka. Revered by the Maori people. I don't know, I might be butchering that.
The Maoris?
Yes, so for its many invigorating properties, Manuka has been used for centuries in New Zealand. And the reason I have this oil, many do, is because if you went to a convention in 2019, it was in the convention kit as a, thanks for shopping. And so yeah, it's only available in New Zealand, but if you happen to be in the US and you have it, congratulations. It's pure steam distilled of potent aromatic compounds found in the flowers, leaves, and stems of the Manuka tree. So this essential oil has a nice hibiscus fragrance. So that's the fun facts about Manuka.
Awesome.
Chris.
I need to start using that because it's supposed to be so good on your face, and I think
Yes.
you use it and she'll
Yep.
use it, and so just need to get these oils out and use them. They're so amazing. So
yes.
Douglas fir. Douglas fir is native. This was very interesting to me, so hold on to your seats. Douglas fir is native to North America, but dōTERRA sources it in New Zealand because over there it's considered an invasive species. So what they do is they harvest the young trees that are 5 to 7 years old before they produce cones, and that, which exacerbates the problem because then you got more trees. Oil from these young trees is uniquely potent and refreshing. So partnering with New Zealand and helping in their preservation efforts provides a beautiful essential oil. I'm reading this because I want to make sure I get all the words right. A beautiful essential oil from what would have been just a waste product because they're just getting rid of these trees. So this is really cool that we're partnering with them and everybody is profiting from it, and we get this extra beautiful potent oil. It takes 0.3 pounds of branches and leaves to make a 5 ml bottle. So that's not very much. So they're actually probably pumping out a lot of oil over there, I would think. It can be used aromatically, topically, or neat. It's steam distilled. You get that clean, fresh, woody aroma. It's cleansing and purifying to the skin, positive and inspiring when diffused, and that refreshing airy aroma. And then for the chemical term, we're going to finish off with the real big fact here. It's a B-pinene, A-pinene, O3 carrying 17. So, you get those words in there, but basically it's a fun one, especially during the holidays. So enjoy your Douglas fir.
All right. Thanks, Chris. That's it for this Fun Fact Friday. We'll see you next Friday for more fun facts on our favorite essential oils. Have a great weekend, everybody.